So we will now going to be solving this one. Creating a stored procedure to accept two integer parameters, compare the values, and insert one of the following outputs into the test message table. Either value 1 is greater than value 2, or value 1 is less than value 2, or value 1 is equal to value 2. Since there are three sets of choices, therefore we're going to be using if-else structure. So some of the basic things are still the same, that create or replace procedure, you might have come up with a different name than I did. That's perfectly fine. So these are our two integers that we're going to be accepted from user. The language is SQL. We begin the procedure and we end the procedure. So that's a skeleton. Within the body of the procedure, I'm declaring a variable result of varchar 30 size, and this is the one where I'm going to be storing these outputs. So if the value of num1 is greater than num2, then I'm going to have one set of output. This is how you write else if in this environment. Else if written together without a space. If num2 is greater than num1, then you have another one. Otherwise, you have a third outcome. End if. So that's basically your if-else and structure. Now, I'm going to be setting the RSD to values, and I'm simply going to grab these values right from here so that I do not have to type it again. After that, I will going to write my insert statement that I would like to insert into test message table the value of the result. So this compared my stored procedure. I accept a couple of values from user. I check to see which one of the two is greater. All the operators that you have learned in the other classes are still applicable here. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, equals to, not equals to. And finally, once you're done creating the stored procedure, you can simply make a call to the stored procedure. And I'm going to get three different sets. When the two values are same, when the first one is less than the second one, when the second one is less than the third one, first one, and then you can simply test to see what goes into the table.